Welcome, you're listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. A day after announcing resumption of the domestic commercial passenger flights from May 25, the Civil Aviation Ministry issued detailed guidelines for airlines, airport passengers and other stakeholders. The ministry said it will prescribe lower and upper limit on airfares and airlines will have to adhere to it during the period of COVID-19 pandemic. It said passengers will have to report at airport 2 hours prior to their flight scheduled departure time, and only those who have done web check-in will be allowed to enter the terminal building. Only one check-in bag would be allowed, and airlines will not provide any meal services in the flight, the ministry said. Boarding for the flight will commence 60 minutes before departure, and boarding gate will be closed 20 minutes before departure, it said. With a spike of 5,609 fresh infections, COVID tally in India reached 1,12,359 according to the Health Ministry update. Death toll across the country has increased to 3,435 after 132 more people succumbed to the virus infection since Wednesday. After 2,475 more patients were added to the list, cases under active medical supervision in the country are now 63,624 as per the government data. On the recovery front, 3,002 cases were cured and discharged in the past 24 hours, taking the total number of COVID survivors to 45,300 pan-India. The World Health Organization has reported the highest single-day detection of coronavirus cases worldwide in the last 24 hours, that is said to be 106,000. Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has warned that the coronavirus pandemic is a long way from being over and has expressed particular concern about rising infection in low and middle-income nations. Over 4.9 million people across the globe have been diagnosed with the disease. However, the actual number of infection is said to be much higher because of low testing rates and many unreported cases. The pandemic has now killed more than 326,000 people worldwide, according to the Johns Hopkins University data. The United States remains the worst affected country with more than 1.5 million diagnosed cases and at least 93,163 deaths. 3 newly recruited Lashkar-Taiba militants were arrested with the arms and ammunition in Frontier Kashmir district of Kupwara. Official sources said that the following specific information: a joint cordon and search operation was launched by police and 28 Rashtriya Rifles in the forest area at Sogam in Kupwara. They said the trio had recently joined militant ranks. A picture of the 3 youth brandishing AK-47 rifles was doing rounds on social media on Wednesday. In the past also, youths have uploaded their picture with weapons on social media to announce their joining of militant ranks. That is all for the Today News Bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.